Inserting image into IPython notebook markdown. I am starting to depend heavily on the IPython notebook app to develop and document algorithms. It is awesome, but there is something that seems like it should be possible, but I can't figure out how to do it. I would like to insert a local image into my local IPython notebook markdown to aid in documenting an algorithm. I know enough to add something like src equals image.png to the markdown, but that is about as far as my knowledge goes. I assume I could put the image in the directory represented by 127.0.0.1 to 8888, or some subdirectory, to be able to access it, but I can't figure out where that directory is. I'm working on a Mac, so, is it possible to do what I'm trying to do without too much trouble?
Files inside the notebook dir are available under a file/URL. So if it's in the base path, it would be image src equals file/image.ping, and subdirs etc. are also available, image src equals file/subdir/image.ping, etc. Update: starting with IPython 2.0, the file/prefix is no longer needed, cf. Release notes. So now the solution, image src equals image.ping, simply works as expected.
Most of the answers given so far go in the wrong direction, suggesting to load additional libraries and use the code instead of markup. In IPython/Jupyter Notebooks it is very simple. Make sure the cell is indeed in markup and to display a image use. Further advantage compared to the other methods proposed is that you can display all common file formats including JPG, PNG, and GIF animations.
I am using IPython 2.0. So just 2 line.
Getting an image into jupyternotebook is a much simpler operation than most people have alluded to here. Simply create an empty markdown cell, then drag and drop the image file into the empty markdown cell. The markdown code that will insert the image then appears. For example, a string shown highlighted in gray below will appear in the Jupyter cell. !Venus_flytrap_taxonomy.jpg attachment column Venus_flytrap_taxonomy.jpg. Then execute the markdown cell by hitting Shift Enter. The Jupyter server will then insert the image, and the image will then appear. I am running Jupyter Notebook server as 5.7.4 with Python 3.7.0 on Windows 7. This is so simple. Update is of March 18, 2021. This simple drag and drop from Windows file system method still works fine in JupyterLab. JupyterLab inserts the proper HTML code to embed the image directly and permanently into the notebook so the image is stored in the IPython file. I am running JupyterLab v2.2.7 on Windows 10. Python 3.7.9 still works in JupyterLab. I am running JupyterLab v2.2.7 using Python 3.7.9 on Windows 10. This stopped working in Jupyter Classic Notebook v6.1.5 sometime last year. I reported in bug notice to the Jupyter Classic Notebook developers. It works again in the latest version of Jupyter Classic Notebook. I just tried it in v6.4 on July 15, 2021. Thank you Jupyter NB Classic developers.